Hello students of standard 3rd and 4th. Let's begin an online session of English. This is Renuka Seshawar, your English teacher. Welcome you all in our today's e-class. Today's topic is naming words. So today we are going to learn about naming words. What is this? This is an apple. What is this? This is a horse. What is the next? This is a car. These are flowers. And this is a cat. Okay, one more time. Repeat loudly. Have you seen these all pictures? Now repeat loudly their names. This is an apple. This is a horse. This is a car. These are flowers. This is a cat. Okay. So how do you identify these all these things? How do you know that this is a cat? This is an apple. This is a car. This is a horse. These are flowers. How do you know that? How do you identify all these things? Yes, you can identify all these things by their names because you knew all their names, right? This is a cat, this is an apple, this is a car, this is a horse, these are flowers. You can identify all these things by their names, okay? So the things those are having names, it may be person, place, animals, birds, things are called naming words. So this is our today's topic. We are going to learn naming words. So do you understand what is naming words? Naming words means the words, the things those are having names. The things those are having names. It may be person, place, things, animals, birds. Those are having names is called naming words. So let's see the definition of naming words. See here. Naming words are names of persons, animals, birds, places or things. Okay. So see here. See here the pictures which is given. The first one. Who is he? He is the Bhagat Singh. He is the Bhagat Singh. Okay. He is a freedom fighter. He was a freedom fighter of India. So in which category it belongs to the persons category. Okay, it belongs to the persons category. And what is the next? This is a tiger. This is a tiger. Okay, it is our national animal, right? Now what is next? This is a beautiful parrot. So which category parrots belong? Parrots belong to the birds category. And the which category tiger belongs? Tiger belongs to the animals category. Okay. Now what is the next? Yes, it is a temple. It is a temple. Which temple is this? Can you identify this? Yes. Come on, tell me which temple is this? Yes, this is the Golden Temple. This is the Golden Temple. Where is it situated? It is situated in Amritsar. So which category it belongs? It belongs to the places category. And what is the next? What are these? These are pencils. So which category it belongs? It belongs to the things. Okay, so all these things which you have seen here, these all called naming words. Okay, so the things those are having names. It may be person, place, things, animals, birds are called naming words. Got it? Now let's see the next. Yes, now we will discuss about it types. There are two types of naming words in our today's class. We will discuss about two types naming words. Now see, these are some pictures here. So you have to be identify these all pictures. Okay. So which picture is which are these? First one. What is this? Lion, bananas. Whose picture is this? Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And rose. Which flower is this? This is rose. This is rose. Okay. So these pictures, those you have seen here, these all are having their special names. Those are having their special names is called special proper noun. The naming words, those are having their special names. Special names are called proper nouns. So naming words first type is special name. Okay, and special names are called proper noun, and proper noun means the name of a particular person. Okay, the name of a person, place, things, ideas are called nouns, naming words. Okay, but we are talking about special names. Okay, special names are called proper nouns. Special names are called proper nouns, and proper nouns means the names of particular person, particular place, particular things is called proper noun. For example, see here, these are the example. This is a particular name of a person. Okay, who is he? Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, the he was the president, 11th president of our country. This is the particular name of a person. Okay, this is particular name of fruit, bananas. This is the name of particular flower, rose. This is the name of a particular animal. So these particular names of these things are called special names. Okay, and on the other hand, we can call it proper noun. These all special names is called proper noun. Now see its next type. Okay, books, city, country. Read loudly with me. Festival, mountain, river. Okay, when we are talking about these words, okay, river, when we call it river, mountain, festival, country, city, books. Okay, these all words are common words. Okay, when we are talking about Ganga, the Ganga. Okay, so when we are talking about Ganga, so it is a particular name of a river. So we call it special name. It belongs to a special name. But when we say river, so river it is a common name. It is a common name, common words. It may be there are many more rivers are there. Okay, it may be any river. When we say mountain, it may be any mountain. Okay, it may be any mountain. When we say Himalayas, so Himalayas, the Himalayas, it belongs to a special name. Okay, when because we are saying its name, this is a special name, particular name of a mountain, the Himalaya. But when we are say single word mountain, so it is common word. Festival, country, it may be any country, it may be any festival. When we say Diwali, Holi, it is a special name. We are talking about a special festival. But when we say festival only, so this word belongs to a common noun. Okay, common name. So these all words written here, it belongs to common name. So naming word second type is common names. Okay, common noun. Common noun means any one of a group of person, place, things, and idea is called common noun. Common noun means name of any one of a group of person, place, things are called common nouns. Now let's see their examples, their definition. These are the examples. Now let's discuss their definition. Types of naming words. There are two types, special names and common names. Let's see their definition. So what is special names? All particular names or proper names are called special names, and all special names are called proper noun. Proper noun means any particular name of a person, place, and things. Any special names is called proper noun, and any particular name is called a special names. And one more thing, you will remember always that proper noun, special names especially, proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Whenever we are writing special name, its first letter should be capital. Okay, let's see the example. Yes, these are the examples. Ram, it is a particular name of a boy or man. It is a particular name of a man. It is a particular name of a boy, Ram. Okay, we are talking about a boy whose name was Ram. Okay, so this is a special name. India, it is a particular name of a country. Ganga, it is a particular name of a river. Okay, so these all are examples of special names because these are special name. Now let's see what is common name. The nouns which belongs one common group is called common noun. Okay, common noun, name any one of a group of person, place, things are called common noun. Let's see its example. Yes, teacher, it may be any teacher. When I say particular name, then that becomes special name. But when we are say teacher, when we are say river, when we are say city, when we are say newspaper, if I will say the Hitwad, the Lokmat, the Times of India, okay, so it becomes special name. But I say newspaper, so newspaper, this word belongs to a common name, so it is common noun. It is called common noun, common name. So doctor, it may be any doctor. Students, these are called common names. Okay, now this is your assignment time. On basis of your this topic, you have to be solve this assignment, and all assignment you will write in your notebook. This is your question number 1. Read aloud. Here are the list of some nouns. Put them in their right column given below. Okay, this is your 8 box. These are the list of some nouns. So you have to be write them in their right column. Okay, there are 4 columns: person, place, animals and things. So what you have to do here, the words which is given in your 8 box, you have to be write in their particular column. Okay, in their right column. Okay, understood? So you will solve this question in your notebook. This is your second question. Identify the pictures of naming words and name them. Okay, identify the pictures and write their name. So this is your today's chapter, naming words. I hope everybody enjoyed and learned a lot. I hope this concept will be clear to you. Now, thank you, bye bye, and have a nice day. We will see you in our next class. Thank you.